The person who makes delicious food for us is called chef. It is a well-known saying that chefs do not make mistakes. They create new dishes. Yes, it is true indeed. Chefs are those genius people who can transform an ordinary dish to an excellent one and serve those delicious menus to us to enjoy. From the ancient era, various experiments are done with various food items and great recipes are served to us by those talented chefs. It is indeed a wonderful technique that not only satisfies our hunger but also makes our heart filled with happiness. And the chefs are the masters in this art. That is why they deserve thank you from us. In this regard, the little achievers of pre-primary of STEM school want to dedicate their thankfulness to all the chefs through their creative work. Let's appreciate them and enjoy it.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए नान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही